In previous videos, I introduced you to my tree tags for Ancestry.com's family trees. We talked about how to add them to your tree, how to search them on someone else's tree, and how to make sense of which tag you're supposed to use. In this video, I will give you my final impressions of my tree tags as it stands in 2019. Howdy, I'm Devin Noel Lee with Family History Fanatics, where we try to help you keep the fun in family history by understanding genetic genealogy, helping you climb that family tree, and make sure that you capture and preserve your memories along the way. When I first heard about my tree tags, I will be honest, I was super excited. Really excited. It was announced at Roots Tech. I talked to one of the other YouTubers that talks about ancestry a lot. And I said, is this what I think it is? Is this a way to get people to stop labeling their people as flags, flowers, trees, and seals of a state? And she said, yes! I'm like, oh, I can't wait. Now, mind you, people are still going to do it. So I would love if Ancestry.com will take these graphics and tag them as graphics and then make it so that people can opt out of seeing graphics in favor of seeing images and documents. But that's just a little wish list that I don't know when it's coming along. But what is my take after many months of beta being introduced? Well, I think it's entirely underutilized service and new feature on Ancestry. So everybody's distracted about the through lines, which we will have a follow-up video about that in the future. But not many people are taking advantage of the My Tree tags. So it would be really nice if Ancestry will start making a promotional campaign, maybe like a tagathon. Some websites have scanathons. We should have a tagathon. Start tagging your ancestors and win prizes. I don't know. Another way to increase user usage of My Tree tags is to make it easier to search or know to search that someone else is using My Tree tags. Let me show you what I mean. Now, when you're on Ancestry.com, some of the things you're going to do is you're going to be looking for public member trees. And when you look for public member trees, you're looking for somebody in that tree. Samuel Curtis Brown. He's already in my tree, but I'm looking for other member trees. Come to a search results page. Some of you have seen this before. There's a couple of things that I can find. So in this page, I see the names of the parents, I see the name of the spouse, and all of this helps me think, oh yeah, that might be my ancestor. That's great. There's something lacking for you to even know that the tree tags exist on somebody else's tree. So if we are looking at this tree, we can know that this person has attached 8 records. We know that they did 45 sources. That's not bad. But they've also attached photos to their tree. What can't you see? That they use tree tags. In the future, I hope Ancestry will start putting on this tree result page that people are using tags. Additionally, I really think the tags need more visibility. So what do I mean about increasing the visibility of those tags? If we're on the pedigree view, look, we have an icon to show me through lines, but you also have the ability to put a leaf, so which means hints. So if we can add a couple icons up here, tree hints, through lines, and then tags, I think that would increase the visibility of my tree tags and maybe draw more attention to get people using them. Continuing on this theme of increased visibility, when you go and look at someone else's tree, it would be really nice if there was a quick way to see that someone else is using tree tags when a specific profile is not tagged. Let me show you. What would be really nice is if we click on this tree search filter, somewhere on this page, Ancestry would tell us that this tree is using or not using tree tags. And then if we click on life experience and we click on immigrant, instead of having the number 1 right here, meaning you're using one filter, it would be great to see how many people in the tree were tagged immigrants before we went any further. So you can search other people's tree, but it's not really easy just yet. But ultimately, the usefulness of my tree tags is entirely user dependent. They have to be using the tags in the way they were intended so that it makes sense to another user who is coming across your tree and seeing tags on them. If we just trade one mess for another mess, it's not going to be a solution to the problems that I spoke of at the beginning of this video. So those are some of the ways I would like to see my tree tags improved. What do you think? What would you like to see done to make my tree tags the best tool on your family tree on Ancestry? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out some of the other videos that we're going to have pop up here. And as always, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so it can reach more viewers and help other researchers just like you.